Hey everyone, it's Rhino here with your Disney News Roundup for the week of July 17th, 2021. And you know what? I think I'm going to call these videos the Disney News Highlights instead of the Disney News Roundup because it's not really all the Disney news that comes out for the week. It's just the things that I think are cool and interesting, the things that make you go, and ooh, things like that. Maybe I should label the video like that. But anyway, this video, everything that we do here is brought to you by Dreams Unlimited Travel. Experts helping you plan the perfect Disney vacation. When you book with them, it costs you nothing extra on your trip, and you help support the channel and all the content that we produce. So check them out, dreamsunlimitedtravel.com. Let's dive in. We've got some Disney Cruise Line news to start us off here. So Omar Algebra, I probably said that completely wrong, but it's Canada's federal transport minister announced that cruise ships would once again be allowed in Canadian waters beginning November 1st, 2021. This news paves the way for a full 2022 cruising season, which includes planned 7-night Alaskan sailings on the Disney Wonder out of Vancouver. Here is what Omar Algebras had to say. Our government is now ready to announce that we are accelerating the timeline for resuming cruise ship activity. I'm announcing today that cruise ships will be allowed in Canadian waters as of November 1st of this year. Literally, the information I just communicated to you, so I have no idea why I read this exact quote from him, but I sure did. Prior to this announcement, the Canadian cruise ship ban restricted ships from docking in its waters until at least February 28th, 2022. There has been no official word yet from Disney Cruise Line on the matter, as work is still being done on the restart of cruising based on guidelines from the CDC. I actually heard today, and I don't know if it's true, but the delayed test sailing for Disney Cruise Line, I think, is actually happening this weekend. Maybe today, as of when this video is being published. I'm not sure, but that's also like rumor and conjecture. So I don't know if it was 100% sure. I didn't see it written up anywhere. So I don't know. Just the messenger here. Just the messenger. And I literally know nothing. But I just said, well, I didn't just say this, but I was traveling for the last little bit. That's why you haven't seen me. I was visiting family in Massachusetts, and then when I got back, I immediately got on an airplane and went out to Disneyland to do some work out there. And I have some Disneyland news and stuff that I would love to talk about. We all know how much I love it out there, and we know how much I love Halloween and how devastated I was when we lost our Halloween season last year. So I do have some fun and exciting news to read to you today, and that is that for all my Halloween peeps out there, brace yourself. Disney Parks blog has shared that our beloved season will finally return to the Disneyland Resort from September 3rd through October 31st, 2021. Guests will get to experience Halloween time at both Disneyland Park and Disney California Adventure Park. So I'm going to read from the article on our site a little bit here, so excuse the verbiage. It's not in my normal vernacular, but you will not want to miss the transformed Halloween-themed attractions and sightings of your favorite Disney characters and villains, seasonal decor, and tasty treats. Downtown Disney District will also get into the spirit with the delightful decor, seasonal treats, and an all-new Halloween-themed pumpkin hunt, Pluto's Pumpkin Pursuit. I love it. Love the sound of it. Over at Disneyland Park, you're going to have the return of the Mickey Mouse Jack-o'-lantern and the cleverly carved pumpkins on the Main Street Pumpkin Festival. Disney characters will be photo ready in their Halloween best as well. In New Orleans Square, Haunted Mansion Holiday. That'll feature a merry makeover of the beloved Erie estate inspired by Tim Burton's The Nightmare Before Christmas. The Haunted Mansion layover is an incredible sight. In addition to these offerings, every night from September 3rd through October 31st, you will enjoy a dreadfully delightful treat in the form of Halloween Screams, a supernatural projection and special effects show. On weekend nights, Halloween Screams will take to the skies with the addition of fireworks. So that's just at Disneyland Park. Now over at California Adventure, we're going to get our Cars Land Radiator Springs makeover. If you have not seen this, I need to tell you, the Cars Land Halloween makeover is not layover, not makeover, not comb over. What is it called? I forget. Anyway, the thing they do over there where they transform everything and they have all the decorations up, it is top notch, incredible. No joking around. So Mater's Junkyard Jamboree is going to become Mater's Graveyard Jamboree, and Luigi's Rollickin' Roadsters will change into Luigi's Honkin' Halloween. That's what it is, Halloween. Halloween. The facade of Guardians of the Galaxy Mission Breakout will spark as the attraction transforms at night with another amazing overlay. Guardians of the Galaxy Monsters After Dark, one of my favorite attractions, becoming the sequel to itself. Incredible. You got to do it daytime, you got to do it nighttime, but so happy it's coming back. But that will be offering an exciting Halloween adventure filled with creepy creatures and thrilling drops. There's a dragon. Over on Buena Vista Street, Mickey Mouse and friends will be dressed in old-fashioned Halloween costumes. You got your seasonal decor that will add to the Halloween ambiance on Buena Vista Street. And don't forget to snap a spooky selfie in front of the 10-foot-tall statue of the Headless Horseman holding his jack-o'-lantern to the sky. I love that Headless Horseman statue, and especially at night when it's got some like smoke going with it. Oh my god, the ambiance of these parks at Halloween time is absolutely incredible. So Plaza de la Familia, which is also in California Adventure, Disney California Adventure Park, you can experience the that return. That's over in the Paradise Gardens area. That is going to be from the 3rd until the 2nd, and that limited time celebration is inspired by the tradition of Dia de los Muertos, which is they're going to have some exciting live entertainment, festive foods, crafts, and interactive experience. Several times daily, you'll be able to enjoy a musical celebration of Coco, which is a dynamic street show honoring Disney and Pixar's Coco. You're also going to be treated to the mariachi music at Paradise Gardens Bandstand, the World of Coco, an evocative art exhibit, a photo opportunity with a hand-animated figure of Miguel from Coco, as well as an iconic Arbol de la Vida, which is the Tree of Life photo location and memory wall. Love everything about it. Love Coco. Love that area. You know what? It sounds like I started off really good and big with all the big announcements. Like, that's all we're going to get. Well, guess what? We got a big one coming because on 25 select nights, beginning September 9th this year, September 9th, and running through October 31st, this separate ticket after park hours event, Oogie Boogie Bash, a Disney Halloween party, will add to the family-friendly fun during Halloween time. At Oogie Boogie Bash, guests of all ages can trick-or-treat their way through the park in their favorite Halloween costumes and encounter characters both spooky and fantastic. At this limited capacity event, you can experience Disney California Adventure Park in a unique way with exclusive offerings like immersive treat trails, frightfully fun parade, a parade in a Disney park in 2021? What? Also, one of my favorite things from the 2019 Oogie Boogie Bash is returning, which is the Villains Grove at the Redwood Creek Challenge Trail. I loved this thing. I thought it was so cool. And then you've got Mickey's Trick and Treat Show and a bunch more offerings. So tickets for Oogie Boogie Bash have gone on sale. They went on sale on Tuesday the 13th. And obviously there is a limited number of those tickets available to each party. So if you are interested in experiencing all that Disneyland Resort has to offer, including the Oogie Boogie Bash, you can contact Dreams Unlimited Truffle, like a truffle pig, Dreams Unlimited Travel for your no obligation free quote, and one of our expert travel agents will be in touch to help you plan that vacation or your dream. So honestly, I'm telling you, I'm not blowing this out of proportion. I'm not whatever. I went to the first Oogie Boogie Bash, which was in September 2019, and I loved every second of it. The only thing I didn't really like was the wishes. Not wishes. My gosh, what is it? World of Color. They did a special World of Color out there. I didn't love it. I didn't hate it, but it wasn't for me. But I will tell you that I don't see in the announcement. So I don't know if that will be returning. But honestly, even without that, because my advice from that 2019 party was to just skip that. So if that's not happening, fine. I'm not going to be upset. I think this is a great event. I hope to go out there and be able to experience this. So, but you'd think that with everything I've said that I would be done talking about Disneyland. But nay, I have still further news for thee. Character dining has returned. The Disney Parks blog announced that Minnie and Friends breakfast at the Plaza Inn at Disneyland Park and Mickey's Tales of Adventure breakfast at Storytellers Cafe, which is located inside of Disney's Grand Californian Hotel and Spa, are both getting ready to reopen with their characters. In addition to that, Carthay Circle Restaurant will reopen on July 22nd with reservations available to book on the 20th. So that's right around the corner. And then the Golden Horseshoe is also going to be open for food and beverage only. No show. Food and beverage only. That's starting July 29th. So Plaza Inn, the Minnie and Mickey Friends breakfast is happening August 12th. Bookings are opening soon. We don't know. I don't think we know when for that yet. And then the Golden Horseshoe is happening July 29th. Remember, food and beverage only, no show. And then over in Disney California Adventure Park, we got Carthay Circle Restaurant opening their upstairs dining area July 22nd. Bookings for that are going to become available on the 20th. So just right before that, right around the corner again. So then we have Storytellers Cafe, the Mickey's Tales of Adventure breakfast, which is going to happen daily. It's going to have daily breakfast, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday brunch from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m., opening July 22nd. And those bookings are also starting on the 20th. So very, very exciting. We are going to have to keep watching this news, though, because unfortunately, it does not look like LA County is doing too hot right now with some COVID issues that they are having. And I believe that as of Sunday, the 18th, masks are now required again indoors, vaccinated or unvaccinated. I believe that goes into effect at Universal Studios Hollywood on Sunday. So I think that's the same thing. But while we're talking about Universal Studios, we're going to talk about Halloween Horror Nights, but we're going to bring that on back to the East Coast. Bring it back. So, Halloween Horror Nights is returning for Universal for 2021 and is going to unleash some of the evilest names in the horror genre to prey upon those who dare to enter. So we have classic horror films will once again come to life in two of the event's disturbingly real haunted houses. So this is just some more houses have been announced. So first we've got the return of the legendary Leatherface in the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. I'm not super thrilled. I feel like they just did this house, and I'm like, I don't know. Texas Chainsaw Massacre is not one of my favorites, and I mean, the house is good. It's so good that it just makes me feel gross, disgusting, and like, I don't want to experience it again. But at the same time, I will, right? We all will. We love Halloween. So, but what's really fun is that the other house that is returning as well is the Bride of Frankenstein in Universal Monsters, The Bride of Frankenstein Lives. So at its core, Halloween Horror Nights is an extension of the horror film legacy originated by Universal Pictures, and the event continues to honor its blockbuster history with a haunted maze highlighting one of the studio's most sinister creatures, the Bride of Frankenstein. Universal Monsters, The Bride of Frankenstein Lives picks up where the 1935 classic film The Bride of Frankenstein left off, thrusting guests into chaos as the bride becomes an unstoppable scientist and begins her mission to revive Frankenstein's monster. Her unwavering quest to find eternal life will come at a cost, and guests will soon find themselves entwined in a frenzied battle in their daring attempt to escape. There is a video that's like a really cool, intense like teaser of this house. But if you were around at Universal last year, we actually did. This is one of the two houses you got to experience. It was this, and then the Revenge of the Tooth Fairy, and then Beetlejuice was open for like 2 days. But it doesn't bother me. All those houses come back. Doesn't bother me because those houses were incredible, and I would absolutely love to go through any of them again, especially that Beetlejuice house. So, I know not everybody loves that Halloween season, though, and you're all like, oh, he's talking about Halloween again. This guy. So let's end the video on the merriest of merry seasons, okay? Because Walt Disney World has announced that Disney Very Merriest After Hours will be the new hard-ticketed event for the holidays of 2021. So this event is set to begin on November 8th before all the rest of the festive fun throughout the Walt Disney World Resort. It will be available on select nights through December 21st. The 4-hour event will be packed with holiday festivities such as Minnie's Wonderful Christmas Time fireworks, Disney characters throughout the park, holiday music and decor, treats included, and so much more. So similar to other Disney After Hours events, a limited number of tickets will be sold for the event. It's held after regular park hours with lower wait times and access to more than 20 select attractions. Tickets sales will begin next month, and an early purchase window will be available to guests of the Walt Disney World Resort hotels, the same way they did it for the Boo Bash this year. But what's kind of crazy is the parade is not going to be a part of it, and there is an Off the Rails episode coming up where we talk about this. So if you want like full feelings, thoughts, and all that stuff about that, you'll have to stay tuned for that. But honestly, I'm a little shocked. They're not going to have the holiday lights on the castle, no parade. I don't know. It feels already like you're pulling back, and I feel like the scapegoat is because it's the 50th anniversary, and I'm like, yeah, but the thing we know and love about Walt Disney World is how they have these seasonal celebrations that we look forward to in October and September, August, September, October, and then November and December. And I don't know, it's a little bit of a bummer. So, but this is an ever-evolving, ever-changing situation. So who knows? The parade could end up coming back. I don't know. I mean, cross your fingers and toes. I don't know. Anyway, sorry. I know I was supposed to end on a merry note, and now I'm just really bummed that the Christmas parade might not be coming back. But that doesn't mean we won't get the different select elements as part of the cavalcades and things like that, because we'll probably have the reindeer, the toy soldiers, Santa, all that stuff will be making appearances. So we can't lose hope just yet. But I am exhausted. It is so late right now. It is like 2:30 in the morning. I am still messed up from my California sleep time. So that is all the Disney news highlights I have for you this week. I know there's a bunch of other Disney news stories, so if you want to keep up to date with all those things, you can head over to www.info.com. Plenty of articles to read on. You can see some fun photographs, links to videos, all that sort of stuff. If you're just looking for one of the specific stories I talked about, you can look down in the description of this video. You're going to find links to every one of the articles I pulled from. And of course, again, if you are planning a Disney vacation anytime in the far future, I was trying to think of another word, but I can't. Dreams Unlimited Travel, cost you nothing extra. You help support the show. So we appreciate that. So if you like this video, I know I'm very tired and I'm out of the swing of things and it's low energy. But if you like the video, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave me some comments. Let's get chatting. What are we excited about? We excited about Halloween? We excited about Christmas? What's the journey for you out there? Personally, I need these frequent fear passes to come back ASAP to Halloween Horror Nights because I want to buy one right away. I don't want to be going like one night this year. So I need full force Halloween. I hope to get out to California to experience all of the stuff out there. I'm very excited. I want to go full force in the event that something happens again. I just want to make sure that I am celebrating and living my best life. And I hope all of you out there are living your best life. So you're staying safe, happy, and healthy. So thank you everybody for coming on this journey with me today and the absolute ridiculousness of my rambles and stumbling over my words. And I really appreciate it. So thank you everyone. I hope you're having a good week and I will see you next time. Goodbye everybody.